Welcome to Sparsh Global Business School, a destination where learning meets innovation. Our flagship PGDM program is designed to prepare future-ready business leaders through real-world exposure, corporate immersion, and global learning experiences. Our fully automated two-story digital library empowers students with knowledge beyond boundaries, packed with resources, research access, and collaborative study zones. Large lecture theatres designed for immersive learning and industry-integrated sessions. Choose from specialized career tracks that match your ambition, shaping your journey toward your dream role. The state-of-the-art computer dome ensures hands-on learning with modern systems and advanced digital tools. Smart learning spaces where academic insight meets interactive teaching. An advanced incubation center that fuels innovation, nurturing startups, mentoring ideas, and accelerating entrepreneurial dreams. Tech-enabled classrooms that transform education into experience. Comfortable, dedicated common rooms to unwind, collaborate, and grow beyond academics. A modern, hygienic canteen serving nutritious and diverse meals, ensuring students feel at home. Indoor sports, recreational spaces that keep minds fresh and spirits active. A vibrant music room where creativity finds its rhythm. A fully equipped gym promoting fitness, discipline, and overall well-being. A sprawling outdoor sports arena, from basketball to cricket to football, encouraging team spirit and athletic excellence. Powerful industry collaborations and academic associations strengthen learning with practical insights. Guided by industry mentors and supported by top recruiters, our students step confidently into the corporate world. Safe, comfortable, and modern hostel facilities, ensuring a home-like environment, fostering focus, comfort, and a community of learners. Strategically located in one of the fastest-growing zones of Greater Noida, Sparsh Global Business School stands at the crossroads of opportunity. Surrounded by a thriving industrial belt and a vibrant educational hub, our students gain unmatched access to corporate exposure, industry projects, internships, and real-time learning. At Sparsh Global Business School, we don't just educate, we empower. Admissions for PGDM 2026 to 28 are now open.
We love Sparsh!
Join a campus where you can evolve, grow, and become the leader you aspire to be.